Okay, this video is going to be absolutely lit, guys. I know I say this a lot of times, but this one is special because I got my hands on the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Hey guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to another video on my channel. So today's video is going to be like super exciting, guys. You can see the smile on my face because we have Samsung's newest killer flagship phone, the Note 20 Ultra in the house. This is a very premium looking phone, guys. The one we have right now is a Mystic Bronze variant and it looks like very royal and premium in the hand. So this video is like my first impressions and thoughts on the brand new Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, guys. The unboxing will be coming later on the channel. You'll have to stay tuned for that. That's a special unboxing video, so yeah, it'll be coming up later. So first in this video I'll share you my thoughts and what do I feel about this from my first look. So first let me tell you about the design and the build quality. So this is a premium flagship phone from the company, guys, the Note 20 Ultra, and it looks absolutely stunner. So it's got this cylindrical form factor. You can see it's got completely rounded corners everywhere and feels like very comfortable to hold in the hand. Yes, it is definitely a big phone. It's got a 6.9-inch massive display on the front, but let me tell you, I've been using it for quite a few days, right? So I got used to the size. I can easily access all the areas of the screen with my hand, and if you have tiny hands also, no worries, because Samsung has one-handed mode as well, so that makes it very easy to use this phone. So coming to the color now, I really like this new color, guys, the Mystic Bronze. Just have a look at that. It looks very premium, right? Love that finishing as well. So if you talk about the build quality is awesome. The back is made of glass, the front is also glass, and it features a new Gorilla Glass 7 on both the sides. So very durable, and the frame is made of metal, guys, that is running at the center of the phone. So first thing you'll notice over here is that huge camera bump. Holy grail, that is some next level camera bump, guys. But let me tell you, the cameras equally perform that good. See, the cameras are also special. We'll come back to that at a later part in the video. So now let me tell you about the display. The Note 20 Ultra rocks a 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED HDR10 Plus display, and let me tell you, this is one of the best looking displays on a phone, guys. Very beautiful display. It literally knocks out the competition. So this thing runs at 1440p resolution and has a really high refresh rate of 120Hz. But do keep in mind that if you enable 120Hz refresh rate, then the resolution comes down to full HD. And if you want the higher resolution, then the refresh rate goes to standard mode. So it also has this new adaptive refresh rate settings, which automatically adjusts the refresh rates and sets it depending on the content of the phone. We'll talk about all these special features and in-depth stuff at a later video, guys. This is not the time to talk about that. And if you ask about the bezels, this thing looks so beautiful. The bezels are so thin on this phone. They're literally like very narrow. It looks gorgeous, right? There's only one notch at the top, a hole punch camera. And talking about the camera, that is a 10 megapixel selfie camera. Very nice display, and yes, it's also a curved display, guys. You can see the curve bending over here on the sides. It's not that that steep curve also. It's like the right amount of curve I've always desired. So yeah, that was about the display, guys. Now let's move on and talk about the performance. So for us, the phone comes with Exynos 990 CPU, which is a 7nm plus octa-core CPU. See, guys, Exynos 990 is a really powerful and a capable CPU, guys. This thing can get all sorts of tasks done. Like no matter how graphic intensive game you play on it, this thing plays like buttery smooth. I've played PUBG Mobile on it, and at maximum graphics settings, the phone was performing really smooth. We'll do a gaming review and talk about the performance in a different video, guys. And I haven't told you about the specs, right? The Galaxy Note 20 Ultra comes with 12 gigs of RAM, and my variant has 256 GB of onboard storage. It's also available in 128 GB as well, and the storage on it is expandable up to 1 TB using a micro SD card. So that was about the specs. Now if you talk about the cameras, well, the cameras on it are special. It's got a triple camera setup at the back, as you can see, And the first thing that you'll observe on this phone is that huge camera bump at the back, guys. It looks really stylish sort of, and you know that contrast of black and bronze color on the phone makes it look very premium. Talking about the cameras, the phone comes with a triple camera setup. There's a 108 megapixel f1.8 primary camera with optical image stabilization, and the phone is also capable of shooting 8K videos. And the second one is a 12 megapixel telephoto camera that has a periscope lens and supports up to 50x space zoom. And lastly, the third one is a 12 megapixel 120-degree ultra wide angle camera. So that was a camera setup at the back side. And going to the front, as I've told you just now, there's a 10 megapixel selfie camera. Now let me tell you one of the biggest highlights on this phone, guys, the S Pen. So the previous gen Note series phones came with the S Pen on the right side, while this Note 20 Ultra comes with the S Pen situated on the left side. You can simply push it like this and take the pen out, and as soon as you do that, you'll get this air command. So the S Pen is also improved, guys. It's got this beautiful similar kind of mystic bronze color that goes well with the phone. Looks very attractive. And let me tell you, I'm like very impressed with this stylus. They've done a lot of work on it on the internal side and reduced the latency to almost like 9 milliseconds, guys. So if you try to write on the display using it, it like responds in real time. There's no sort of delay, nothing. You can just see over here. Awesome. I can't wait to test this and show you all the awesome features in my later full review video, guys. It's got some crazy features as well. And lastly, let me tell you that the phone also has all the top of the line premium features, like there's NFC, wireless charging, IP68 dust and water resistant. And if you ask about the battery, this thing is powered by a 4500 milliampere massive battery and is coupled with a 25-watt fast charging adapter. Well, that's pretty much it for today, guys. Those were my thoughts and first impressions on Samsung's newest Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. I'm really looking forward to test it out for a few more days, and I'll be posting my special unboxing video also in a couple of days, and after that after using it for a while, I'll share my full review on the product. So in the full review, we'll be talking about the cameras, the gaming performance, how is the display quality and battery life and stuff like that. And also, if you want me to make any dedicated videos on gaming review or maybe like camera performance, camera comparison, camera review, just let me know in the comment section and I'll try to cover that for you guys. So that's pretty much it for today, guys. I hope you all enjoyed the video and got to check out this awesome phone. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.